because the turbo went out, I had to pay for that so my truck could keep running. I had a new truck. I was paying $1,300 a month on this new tractor. The truck broke down. My turbo went out. The used lot that I got it from, they didn't say anything about that or anything like that. Now, mind you, I had the truck for like maybe 8 months. But like I said, I had a turbo go out. And that shit set me so far back. Because the turbo went out, I had to pay for that so my truck could keep running. I didn't pay my truck note because, of course, I didn't put no money to the side, thinking that I'm making $3,000 a week. At this particular job, I was making $2,500 a week. So I'm thinking like, oh, I'm making $10,000 a month. I don't need to put money to the side. I'll just pay my bills. I'll make sure everything is taken care of. My kids want something. We going on nice little trips. And I still wind up going under. Couldn't pay my truck note for 2 months. And before I know it, they came and repoed my truck. So when I tell you guys stuff, I'm telling you guys from pure experience. I'm telling you like real life experience.